You want to create videos like this one for free? Then stay with me because I am going to show you 2 ways to do it, and you are going to be really amazed. The first platform is called Weavy AI. As soon as you log into this platform, you receive 150 free credits, and these 150 credits are renewed every month. To access Kling Motion Control, you simply create a new Figma and you land directly on this interface. On the icons located on the left, you search for Kling Motion. And there you will notice that Kling Motion costs you 200 credits, which is far more than what we have available. But don't worry, here is a method to avoid spending more credits than necessary. Head over to the FAL AI website, search for Kling Motion and look for the Kling 2.6 motion model. Then, do a right-click and copy the link of the model. Go back to Weavy AI, right-click, click on Import Model and paste the link you just copied. And there, you can see that this is only going to cost us 50 credits. Which means concretely that we can create 3 videos with our available credits. Now I am going to add a prompt box and I import my video and image files. Once added, I connect all the elements to the model, and I write my prompt. Before launching the generation, don't forget to switch to video mode. This is a very important step. You can also choose to keep the sound of your video or not, depending on your preferences. Then click on Run. After a few moments, the video is generated and the result is right there. Don't leave, because the second platform is on a whole other level. The second platform is called Luma AI. On this platform, you get 3,000 free credits, which is going to allow us to create a lot more videos than with the previous platform. Let me show you how it works. To access the creation interface, you simply create a new board. I upload my video. And once uploaded, I do a right-click and I select the model I want to use. I am going to go with Kling 2.6. I add my character. I keep the framing on match video for optimal visual consistency. You can also choose to keep the audio of your video if you wish. I write my prompt, I select the resolution in high quality and I click on Create. After a few moments, our video is ready. And if you look at our credit balance, you can see that we still have plenty left to create several more videos. If this video brought you value, like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, leave a comment to share your thoughts, don't hesitate. Thank you so much for watching until the end. See you very soon.